Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I'm called Takum Dangobel, a beginner trader. I've been filming my journey as a beginner trader, analyzing the chart, understanding how the markets behaves. I'm thinking we're about on the number, is it 14? I guess so. But actually, as a beginner trader, I just want to show you guys how I've been studying the market, how I've been studying the charts, trying to understand the movement. Okay, my last previous video, I made an analysis, and I just want to update you guys on how things are going. Guys, it's very interesting. It's very interesting. I think this is a good lesson for you guys to gather, or maybe for me to understand how the market is behaving. Okay, guys, we I just want to remind you that we are with the Great Britain Pound USD. I've been following this market for about a week now. That's like a week and a half now. So I actually drew my trend line. I knew okay guys, we are actually on the H4 time frame, for us time frame. So when I spotted this market, I drew it was here, it was still here. So I knew it was an upward trend. So I've been trying to track the trend and analyzing the market and see how things are going. Try to understand the candlesticks at each point of confluence, or maybe at each point of support and resistance. What makes a trade to turn or to reverse, or what makes a trade to continue? What are the candlestick formation? What is the candlestick patterns that make a trade to reverse, or maybe to either continue? And I've been studying it. I've been trying to understand how it's going so far. So okay guys, my previous video I did make an analysis. We were here at this point. Let me actually make it bigger. Okay, we were at this point. Yeah, I like it this way, guys. Something good already. I'm seeing something good that you can identify what is going on. Okay, we were at this point. I did an analysis. I told you guys, okay, this was first of all my first this arrows where the analysis I did when I was still down here. I anticipate that when price reaches my trend line, it's gonna either break the trend line, retest, and goes back upward, or if it doesn't break my trend line, it's just gonna bounce off this trend line and goes down back. But you know, from the other previous video, I've been anticipating that normally the market would drop here, but the market continues right up to my trend line. And when I saw this breakout, when I saw this breakout, I knew the market is going to continue. And upon seeing this retest, I knew the market will continue upward. Actually, the market did retest. It was a breakout, retest, and it continues. But guys, see what happened. It falls down back, break again the trend line, retest, goes back down, retests again, and now it's falling. And guess what? It has also broken this support level. It was a resistance level. It has also broken this support level, and it's about to retest the support level and maybe continue downward. But my anticipation was this, that it was gonna it's gonna retest and continue. But otherwise, if it doesn't do that, it's gonna continue. I already anticipate it's either it goes up or it goes down. And what makes and at this point, there are things maybe there are things that will make me to understand that the market is reversing or is continuing. So at this point, you know, I didn't even think of the fact that the market will go down, because I was not seeing um, any signs. Though this break and this weak rejection is still telling me that okay, it's a retracement. So, but actually now I'm seeing a clear sign that the market is going down, because we have. My anticipation was that when the market comes down and break this structure, first of all started breaking the structure, and what we can see here is like a head and shoulders. You see the head and shoulders. So we are seeing the head and shoulders. So this head and shoulders on the resistance level is kind of a reversal trend. Head and shoulder is a reversal trend. So now we should be looking out for only sell. So, guys, this is forex. When you understand forex, I think you enjoy the market. When you understand chart patterns, you enjoy the market so much. It is clear. It is really clear. It's showing. And I anticipated. I said if it doesn't goes up, it's gonna go down. There are two ways: either it goes up or it goes down. And what will make you understand that the market will goes up are the candlestick formation, are the chart patterns that you observe that will tell you that the market is going up or is going down. So basically, now I told you guys when I'm at this point, I don't rush. I can't really make a decision. The last time I told you guys that I can't really make a decision to trade the market when I'm at this point, because I'm just observing the candlestick formation, the chart patterns to form. But right now, our chart patterns, our chart pattern has really formed. You can see the head and shoulders, and it's telling you that the market is dropping. So from now, the market is dropping. Actually, the market traded right up more than forming a higher high. But when you look backward, when you go backward in time, I try to figure it out that okay, the reason why I was anticipating that the market is going to go up, because when you go back in time, when you go back in time, you see that there are other. Let me see. It's really far. Yep. When you go back in time, you see that there are other peaks up here. The market hasn't reached here, but which year is this? What time is it? It's right. Um which year? May 2020. Was it in 2020? So it's right too far. So that is the reason why the market is reversing. But if you go, let me look at the daily time frame. Okay, when you look at the daily time frame, we see that the market is still around here, but we have our highs. The highest point, I don't know which year is this. The highest point is 2021. It was in 2021, May 2021. That was it, May 2021. So, but the market goes down right at this point, from a very low point and start climbing up back. Though the market might come back here, I know that it's not gonna break down. It's not gonna break this trend line. It's definitely gonna bounce and maybe trade higher. So that is my anticipation. I'm not thinking. I'm not seeing the fact that the market will actually break this point down and go down, but it's gonna trade higher. It's just gonna come. Let me increase it. I feel like the market just gonna, because it's just forming higher heights. I feel like the market just gonna come back here, comes back here at this point and trade back higher. Because when you look at it, is the first touch, the second touch. Can we say this is the second touch? Kind of. Nah, it's actually the second touch, and I'm anticipating the third touch. So I can be selling. I can be selling from now, from here to this point, from here to this point. So today is Friday. Mm, Today is like Saturday. Yes, I'm actually filming Saturday early in the morning, about 4 o'clock. So the markets are close. So, but the markets ended in a bullish direction. So on Sunday, on Monday, we can observe the market and maybe we determine the daily direction, the daily direction, or the daily bias. But already the market is telling us that it's actually retracing. It's actually retracing. It's actually retracing now. And that is something for me to take as a big lesson, that actually when the market reaches at this trend line, I should be anticipating that it's either bouncing, because actually it has touched just two times. One, two. We are expecting the third time. This one, two. We are expecting the third time. So the breakout can be occurring around the full time, or when it's touching up the full time or stuff like that. So when you look at it, yeah, We have one, two, three. It comes back and make number three here, and goes back up and make number four here, and that's where we'll have a breakout with this market. I'm anticipating that we're going to have a breakout and the market will trade higher. I'm not sure the market's going to trade lower from this one because we have other higher points that the market still needs to reach, because it's actually going back to test this price up here. That's what I'm anticipating. So guys, this is my observation for this market, and I just want to say that it's very good when you follow a story in trading. I've been following this story. It makes you to make an important decision when you want to trade, or the kind of trade you want to take, and when you want to enter, and you know the direction of the trade. So when you follow a story, you can easily make a lot of money along that story. That is why it is always good to follow a story, to follow the market, where the market is going and where it's heading. So guys, I think next week we'll be looking out for sell, 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 sell. According to the analysis, we're looking out for sell, sell, sell. Okay, see you guys. Um, please subscribe to my channel, like, press the notification button so that anytime I release a video, you're the first to see. And I also want you guys to comment on my video or my analysis. Tell me what you think about the analysis, or if that advice you think you can give me to upgrade my game. I'll be very grateful. Okay, peace out.